हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शेयरिंग नॉलेज। इस वीडियो में हम 1000 प्लस पॉलिटी के एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे जो कि यूपीएससी, स्टेट पीसीएस, सीडीएस, कैफ, एफकेट एंड डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं और पूछे जाएंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली? ए जे एल नेहरू, बी सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, सी बी आर अम्बेडकर, डी के एम मुंशी। सो द राइट आंसर इज डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर। डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किए हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाने के लिए। इन्हें कहा जाता था, ही वॉज नोन एज आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। सो डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर हैज़ कंट्रीब्यूटेड अ लॉट इन मेकिंग ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। और ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। काफ़ी एग्ज़ाम में ये रिपीटेडली ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है और आगे भी पूछा जाएगा। सो इस चीज़ को आप लोग को याद रखना कि बी आर अम्बेडकर ही चेयरमैन थे ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ मेनी मेंबर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली साइन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? कितने मेंबर ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली के साइन किया था फाइनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया को? ए 284, बी 294, सी 274, डी 244। सो द राइट आंसर इज 284. 284 member of Constituent Assembly has actually signed the final drafting of Constitution of India. Now coming to question number 3, the permanent president of Constituent Assembly was A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. K. M. Munshi, D. J. L. Nehru. So the right answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the permanent president of Constituent Assembly. Sachidanand Sinha was temporary speaker of the Constituent Assembly. After that, the member of the Constituent Assembly actually elected Rajendra Prasad as the president of the Constituent Assembly. Now coming to the fourth question, who among the following was non-Congress member of the Constituent Assembly? Option are A. J. B. Kripalani, B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, C. K. M. Munshi, D. T. T. Krishnachari. So the right answer is Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Among the four, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was non-Congress member of the Constituent Assembly. Now coming to question number 5, how many members were assigned by cabinet mission in Constituent Assembly? A 300, B 309, C 450, D 296. So 296 member is the correct answer. 296 member were assigned by cabinet mission in Constituent Assembly. Cabinet mission actually proposed the idea of Constituent Assembly. The members of the cabinet missions were Lord Patrick Lawrence, Stafford Cripps and A.V. Alexander. Now coming to the question number 6, what was the duration in making of Indian Constitution? A. 1 year 10 months 12 days, B. 2 year 10 months 5 days, C. 2 year 11 month 18 days, D. 3 year 6 month 7 days. So the right answer is 2 year 11 month 18 days. So the total time taken to form in Indian Constitution was 2 year 11 month 18 days. Indian Constitution, it take a lot of time to frame the Indian Constitution. It is considered as one of the bulkiest constitution of the world. It has actually the final draft of the Constitution of India has 395 article, which is divided into 12 part and has 8 schedule. So because of that, it is considered as one of the lengthiest constitution of the world. Now coming to question number 7, which of the following gave the idea of Constituent Assembly for India? A. Simon Commission, B. Rajaji Formula, C. Cabinet Mission Plan, D. Wavell Plan. So the right answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. Simon Commission came in 1929, Rajaji Formula came in 1943, Cabinet Mission Plan came in 1946 and Wavell Plan came in 1945. Now coming to question number 8, Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 by A. Constituent Assembly, B. Parliament of India, C. President of India, D. British Parliament. So the correct answer is Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly 26 नवंबर 1949 को अडॉप्ट किया था कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया को और ये 26 जनवरी 1950 को फोर्स में आ चुका था. When did now coming to question number 9, when did Indian Constituent Assembly met for the first time? A. 26 January 1950, B. 15 August 1947, C. 9 December 1946 and D. 19 November 1949. So the correct answer is 9 December 1946. This was the first day of meeting of Constituent Assembly. 26 January 1950 is our Republic Day. 15 August 1947 is our Independence Day. India got independence from British Raj on this day. Now coming to question number 10. The Constitution of India was completed by which of the following date? A. January 26, 1950. B. November 26, 1949. C. February 11, 1948. D. None of the above. So the right answer is November 26, 1949. Actually, Constitution was completed on this day, but it has came in force in 1950. January 26, 1950. It had come into force. So this question is also very important from exam point of view. So you have to remember the date. आज के लिए इतना ही. अब हम इसके नेक्स्ट पार्ट को अगले वीडियो में बनाएंगे. तब तक के लिए आप इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल.